Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here voltage and current equations are given here and asking that how can you find the average power. So here when you observe that the voltage and current are in periodic waveforms. So having multiple cosine signals are there. So here two cosine signals are there, here also two cosine signals are there. So the corresponding signals having the angle frequency same, here also angle frequency same. Now how can you find the average power? This is the problem. So first of all, observe what is the DC current and DC voltage. So this is the DC voltage, that is 128. Here 3 is the DC current. Just product it. So that is average power equal to just product of this. First of all, it is 128 into 3. Next plus next half of. Now go for cosine signals. So these two signals having same angle frequency. So first of all go here. So product the corresponding magnitudes, that is amplitudes, that is 192 into 4 into cos of the difference in the phases, that is 80 minus 70, how much? 10 degrees, cos 10, plus again same for these signals. Here amplitude is 96, 1.6. So 96 into 1.6 into cos of. So for the signal change in the phase. So minus 30 minus of minus 60. So minus minus become plus 60. So 60 minus 30, nothing but 30 degrees. Simple. So minus 30 minus of minus 60, it becomes minus 30 plus 60, that's equal to 30 degrees. So from this I am going to subtract it, or subtract from this, no problem, because cos is a even function, because cos of minus 30 is nothing but cos theta. So cos of minus theta equal to cos theta only, there is no change. Okay, now simplify it. So by using calculator we will get one value, that is 828.676. This is the average power. Units are watts. So this is the process of simplification for getting the average power. So whenever the voltage and current equations are given like this, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.